Okay, so every mushroom coffee review you find is going to assume that you're going to replace your regular coffee with mushroom coffee. I'm here to tell you, I don't do that, and I bet there's a lot more people like me that don't do that. I like to have a big tumbler of coffee, but I choose decaf because I don't want the jitters. But I was missing some extra energy, and so when I found this mushroom coffee and it gave me the energy without jitters, I was thrilled about it. I love my morning coffee ritual, and I wasn't willing to give it up. So I will have my regular coffee, my regular decaf, and I will add one of these packets along with some heavy whipping cream, kind of left over from my keto days. This is an 11-in-1 formula. It has lion's mane for cognitive support and mental clarity. It does not come with a crash attached to it. It's all sugar-free and instant dissolve. It's going straight in my decaf without any fuss. 16 servings per pack gives you enough time to actually notice whether it's doing something before you decide to reorder. And the variety pack means you're not locked into one flavor. My personal favorite is the vanilla. Does it change the taste of my coffee? Slightly. Is it still good with heavy whipping cream? Absolutely. I really like these, and I think you will too. If you found this video helpful, please give my shop a follow and check out my other favorite finds. Thanks for watching.